Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll show you how we can add multiple taxonomies under post types using CPTUI plugin. So in that case you need to install CPTUI plugin, this one actually, CPTUI. So how you can get it? Once you click on add new plugin, go to the plugin. Actually I already installed CPTUI plugin and it should be like this, custom post type UI. So once you search custom post type UI in the plugin panel, you can see this and you need to activate this. So I already activated this plugin and we already have a custom post type called our services. So now we would like to add custom taxonomies under this post types. Okay, so let's go to the custom post type and you need to click on add and edit taxonomies option. Okay, so once we click on it, you can see this this kind of dashboard like this. So let's I'm going to create a taxonomy like this service. This should be the slug. Actually you can see taxonomy slug, so it should be something like this, and whatever you need as for your slug. Service category, suppose I would like to taxonomy called service category, and plural should be like this, and you can change as per your need. Just copy these things and singular label. So the taxonomy should be service category, and you need to select the post type name is. So our post type name is our services, right? This one, our services. So just need to set our services. So this taxonomy should be called under our services post type. So let's add taxonomy, and once you added, you can see service category has been successfully added. So once you go to the services section, you can see, okay, service category. So this is service category. You can add multiple service categories like this. Okay, category 1, whatever, add, and again you can add category 2. Okay, so this is category 1 and category 2, and go to the CPTUI plugin section and click on add post type. We need to change the settings actually a little bit. Just select edit post type and it should be services, and just scroll down. You can see the option is for option for hierarchical. It should be the for true. Okay, and save the changes. So once you save the changes, just go to the services section and click on add new for testing purposes. So new service, and you can see service category. Okay, it's published. So somehow it's not appearing. So how we can do that? Let's go to the section, services, custom post type, taxonomies. Okay, edit taxonomies. Okay, it's already selected. Just scroll down. Okay, it should be true. Okay, article should be true, and just save taxonomy and go to the services section. Now refresh this page, and now you can see it looks like this. So under new services you can select the taxonomy for whatever you want, take category 1, category 2, and also you can add service category from this section as well, like this, like this, category 3. Okay, and now you can see the category 3 has been added, and update these services. So this is the way you can add multiple taxonomies like this, and we need to follow these steps using CPTUI plugin. That's it. Thank you.